Will artificial intelligence take over the role of sales reps, or is the human touch irreplaceable in closing deals? The future of sales is here, and the answer might surprise you. Who am I, and why should you listen to me? Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, and I've spent the last 18 years studying trends and technology, shaping the sales industry, but also the internet and internet marketing and digital marketing. So if you're a business to business sales, if you're in sales, or you are an owner of a business to business organization, or you're just curious about how AI is changing the game, you're in the right place. So let's dig into the future about AI versus human sales reps. Is Yoda going to come to this, to the rescue here? Are we going to actually see some action? Great. So the main issues are AI's role in sales. AI is revolutionizing sales by automating repetitive tasks like lead generation, data analysis, and even initial outreach. It's doing the stuff that most salespeople don't want to do and that most salespeople waste too much time on. So think of it as your ultimate assistant, saving time and allowing you to focus on what matters most, and that's building relationships and closing sales. Okay. Number two is the irreplaceable human touch. Let's not forget the human touch is crucial in sales. AI might give you data-driven insights, but it can't replicate empathy, creativity, and the art of negotiations. Complex deals and trust building are where human reps shine the brightest. Number three is a collaboration, not a competition. You must remember this. The future isn't about replacing sales reps with AI, it's about collaborating. AI handles the heavy lifting like analyzing trends and personalizing outreach, while humans focus on strategy and relationship building. Together, they create a powerful sales force. So, what is the future of sales? It's going to be AI, or is it going to be human? Those who leverage AI to engage their skills will thrive, while those who resist may struggle. The future of AI is assisted, not AI replaced. So here we are. Shake the hand here. It's AI assisted. So, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on sales and technology. Let me know in the comments, do you think AI will enhance or replace sales reps? And if you want to learn how to integrate AI into your sales, book a strategy call below with me using the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.